Hashtag 5 quick and healthy recipes for busy days. 1. Superfood smoothie ***. Toss spinach, banana, almond milk, and protein powder in a blender for a vitamin-packed breakfast on the go. 2. Veggie-packed omelette ***. Whisk eggs with chopped veggies like peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Cook in a pan for a protein-rich and satisfying meal. 3. Tuna salad wrap ***. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt, celery, and spices. Spread on a whole wheat tortilla and top with lettuce for a light and healthy lunch. 4. One-pan chicken and veggies ***. Season chicken breasts and toss with broccoli florets and cherry tomatoes. Roast in the oven for a complete and flavorful dinner. 5. Overnight oats ***. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, milk, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Refrigerate overnight for a grab-and-go breakfast packed with fiber and nutrients. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. These quick and easy recipes are perfect for busy days when you need a nutritious and delicious meal in a flash.